Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ekta Indians. Today I am going to share with you very popular, very delicious, most unforgettable chicken pizza recipe on pan without yeast and without oven with homemade instant pizza sauce. Now let's start the yummy pan chicken pizza recipe in very simple and easy way. Today I take 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a big bowl. Now I add 1 tablespoon semolina into it to make this pizza more crispy. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon sugar into it. Now I mix all dry ingredients very well. After that I am adding 1 same cup fresh yogurt into it to activate the baking soda. Now I mix all the things very well. Now I add water as required and make a soft dough. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon refined oil into it and knead it for about 5 to 6 minutes until the dough turns very soft but not sticky with the palm of my hand, and make the soft dough just like this. Now I cover it and set this aside for about 1 hour. For the pizza topping, here I take 400 grams boneless chicken pieces into a separate bowl. Then I add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon refined oil into it and mix all the things very well. After that I cover it with a plate and keep it aside for 30 minutes for well marination. Now the time to make instant tasty pizza sauce. I take half cup, that is 125 ml tomato ketchup, and add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste and half teaspoon red chili powder into it and mix all the things very well. Now instant pizza sauce is ready. Now I heat 2 tablespoons refined oil into a pan and add all the marinated chicken pieces into it and saute it on medium to high flame. I don't add any extra water because marinated chicken leaves its own juice. Now I cover it with the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I open the lid. Chicken pieces are cooked well. Now I turn off the gas and take out them from the pan and keep aside and let it be cool. Now I open the lid and again I knead the dough little. After that I divided the dough into 2 to 3 parts and take 1 part and dust the rolling board with all-purpose flour lightly and roll it slightly thicker than a chapati with my rolling pin. Now I take a heavy bottom flat pan and grease it with refined oil properly. After that, I place the rolled dough on it and set the pizza base into the pan just like this. Now I prick it with a fork all around the dough just like this. Now I spread my homemade instant pizza sauce all around the pizza base just like this. Now I spread well sufficient grated mozzarella cheese on it. Then I place chicken pieces one by one on it. Here I also take capsicum, red bell pepper and onion strips for toppings. You can use vegetables for the topping as your choice. Now I place them one by one on it just like this. Now I sprinkle some oreganos and some mixed herbs on it, and I also sprinkle some grated mozzarella cheese on the top. Now I place the pan on the gas and cover it with a lid and cook it until the cheese begins to melt on low flame. Now I seal the hole on the lid with a small paper and bake it for 10 minutes on high flame and then 10 minutes on low flame. After that, I open the lid and then check it. It is really baked well. Now I turn off the gas and take out it from the pan. Now I slice it and serve it hot. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoy my today's yummy pan chicken pizza recipe with lots of cheese and homemade instant pizza sauce, which I make in very simple and easy way. You must try at your home. I am sure you will love it very much. So please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, enjoy cooking. Bye.